Okay, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite trade that I took, and currently it's what time is it? It's 3 in the morning. Yeah, it's 3 in the morning. So as you could see, kung nakikita nyo na po, no, mga kabayan, mga kapinoy, dito I am already in the 82 pips, which is I traded for $2 per pip. No, that's the pips is the points. How many? How many? Four last four digits that goes up. So I traded for up on GBP USD. So nakikita nyo yan and still going. So I started my trade at the price of 3118. Then um, ang ginawa ko when my take profit will be on this one 3214. So I'm gonna explain to you guys bakit dyan yung take profit ko, which is I could stop na ngayon. As you could see, I'm already on the $154 and growing. But bakit hindi po ako nag-stop? No? I have already have 82 pips. So bakit hindi? Then I was gonna talk about kung bakit paano ko tinake itong 3118 na position. So here it is. So ito po ang life ng trading. Yeah, really. It's 3 in the morning. Pasensya na po, medyo antok pa. So here, ito pong ginawa ko. This is one of my favorite signs, no? Pag ito ang lumalabas, talagang hindi ko siya pinapakiwalan. Talagang tinututukan ko siya, no? So although I'm a little bit late sa trade ko kasi I am making sure, yan, malapit na mag-hit. No, malapit na mag-hit yung desired amount ko. Yan, malapit na. So, nasa 87 pips. Malapit na. So, ipapakita ko kung bakit ko kinuha yon. So, makikita nyo po, dito ako nag-start. No? Actually po, if you could see, no, I have my 1 hour chart. So, pag nakita nyo po, because of this candle, nag-trade po ako dito. Now, dahil medyo mabigat sa akin ang stop loss na dapat dito ko nilagay, dito ko lang siya nilagay, which is mali po talaga. Kung nakikita nyo, no, yan, natalo po ako niyan kanina. No, I lost around, how much is this? No, yan ang natalo ako diyan kanina. No? So, however, I didn't stop there. I think i-adjust natin pa ng pataas to. Dito natin lalagay para mas maganda. And I'm gonna take my take profit, stop loss here. So, ano man mangyari, meron na akong $100 for this morning. Okay, so, again, bakit dito ako nag-trade at ano ang mga signs, ano mga signals ko? Why did I take that trade on that particular price? Ito po yon. Ito po papakita ko yung technique ko na pwede nyo na pong gayahin. So, as you can see, I have here my my chart, which is I use TradingView. Yan. So, this is 1 hour, no? So, ito po yon yung nakita nyo kanina, no? Ganito po kasi, every time meron pong lumalampas ng Bollinger, yan, kita nyo yan. Saglit. Bakit tinamaan na? No, tinamaan na nga. Kasi bale, na-adjust ko naman. So, okay. So, every time balik po tayo. Every time nakikita nyo po na meron nakikita na Bollinger, yan. At ganito na candlestick, this is called hammer, no? At ang mapapansin nyo, eto, statistics ko sa 1 hour, kita nyo yan, kasi ganito yan eh. Yan, ganyan siya. So, pagdating dyan, next candle, nakikita nyo, umangat na yung statistics ko. So dahil dyan, and dahil dito sa candlestick na to, and dahil lampas din siya sa Bollinger, this is, by the way, this is the Bollinger na indicator, no? To make po ako ng trade, ito po yung favorable trade ko. However, ang nangyari po, no, I took the trade here, dito sa 3105, yan ang first trade ko, but as you could see, natalo po ako. Diba? Bakit ako natalo? Kasi po, mali ang paglagay ko ng stop loss. No? Ang stop loss ko, kasi medyo malalim na to, hindi ko kinaya, nilagay ko lang dito. Which is, inabot ako ng correction level. Kaya na mali. But then again, since inabot ako ng correction level, I traded again. Wait lang po akong lumampas. Which is, nag-trade ako sa price ng 3118. Yan, dyan. Oops. Yan, there. That's 3118. When I traded 3118, nilagay ko yung stop loss ko dito. So, after ilang oras, no, this is a 1 hour kasi, as you could see, ayan na po ang result. See, that's the result. So, kanina, my take profit is dito. Bakit dyan ko kinuha? Kasi yan po ang support and resistance, kung mapapansin nyo. But for the sake po, which is na-hit na sana, nakita nyo na tinamaan na, tapos bumaba. Diba? So, na-hit na sana. But in-adjust ko lang po kasi gusto ko makita nyo ang how I make trade. Ayan, papunta na siya ulit. Pabalik siya ulit. There. And, one more. Konti na lang. No? Yan, go. So, mahihit na yan every time soon. I-adjust ko na yan take profit ko para pag bumaba, meron na akong $151. So, currently, I am on the 94 pips. That's $181. And that's a net of 100. Ito. Yan. So, hinihintay ko na lang na tatamaan. Hinihintay ko lang tamaan. Ito po ang tinatawag namin na pa-konti-konti ng trade. Actually, this could last for days. But as of now, this is what I need lang muna. So, I don't go for 3 to 4 days trading system kasi po, maliit pa lang po ang puhunan ko. So, hopefully, if you have more questions on how I do my trade, ayan, I think we have to stop na. She's giving me signs already. So, I guess we have to stop na. Okay. So, currently, kung hindi ko lang inurong po yung stop take profit natin, tinamaan na po siya. But inurong ko po kasi para po for video purposes, kaya eto. So, ngayon, I'm gonna stop na and I'm gonna take the profit of 81. This one. So, I'm gonna stop na. So, and this is my profit for today. Nakikita nyo. Yan. Okay, stop. There you go. So, as you can see, yan po. Yan po ang kinita natin ngayon. Laki-laki siya. So, that's it. Maraming salamat po. If you have questions po, please, ask, no? Please ask at sasagutin ko naman kayo. I am encouraging every Filipino to do this. Medyo bigyan nyo lang talaga ng panahon but it is really worth it. Maraming salamat po.